this is Multiflow channel. As today is World Environmental Day, I have decided to put a new video based on World Environmental Day. So today I will be teaching you all how to draw a World Environmental Day drawing. So now today I am going to draw a car with two wheels, and it will be going on a road releasing smoke in the air. So today's I will tell that please use electric cars, don't use diesel cars. So this is the topic. So now I'm taking a pencil. This is a Camlin Supreme Co pencil. Now I'm going to use this pencil as we need to draw a circle for the car. I'm using this bottle cap for the circle. So now let's start the video. For the first circle, I use the cap like this. See, my car will be over here. This is my car's first wheel point. So now here I am going to draw a circle. The first circle is done. It's as nice as a perfect circle. So now the challenge is the second circle should be equal to the first circle. So for this I am using a trick. I am having a 15 centimeter scale. I'll be keeping this scale equal to the first wheel center. And then I am going to mark it where the second wheel will be there. So I have marked a dot over here. So my second wheel will be kept over there. Now let's draw the second wheel. Here's the second wheel equal to the first wheel. You can see that they are equal. So now let's erase the dot we put there. The dot is erased. And then the next step is you should draw a line that will be the car's base. So here mark the car's base as a line. Now draw the line equal to the car's base first line in through the center of the wheels like this, and mark equal to the same size at the second wheel. Our car's base is ready. So now let's do the inner wheel of the car. The inner wheel of the car didn't turn well, but as we color it, it will be fine. So the second inner wheel. The inner wheels are done. So the next step is you should draw a little bit curved line over the back of the car like this, and you should do a C over here. C over here like this, and you should just take a whole curved line like this to describe the car, and you should give a little bit space like this for the car. And then here we have the car's base, and we have to join this place like this. See here, sorry, I've done a mistake. We have to get it like this, and then little bit more, and then you should do a little bit kind of curved shape, and then join it over here, not with a sharp edge, with a curved edge like this. So here's our car. It might look like a van, so I'll be just little bit giving it a little modification. So here's our car. Now we'll be drawing the car's headlight. I'm using the scale for that. Done. Now we should erase the extra line over here.
Ma.
Thank God. Video. So now I've erased the extra line over here. So now we have to draw the windows of the car. So the windows will be like a straight line over here, a straight line and a kind of curved line over there. So let's do the windows. So here's our first window. This is the first window. So this curved line will just join the windows like this. And we got to do the second window also to the same equal size. Like this. It's done. So now we should do the curved line. So our car's ready. And we should do the third inner wheel also. I forgot to tell you that. This is the third inner wheel. And some lines. See, this is done. So now our car is ready. Now let's go on to do the road. I feel uncomfortable when it's plugged in to do the road, so I take it out of the pad. And the road will be this big. So I'll draw a line over here. And equal to the line, we should measure the points. The road comes over here. So our first upper road is done. The point we did, we're going to erase that point. And done. Now the second road. We should do the second road below the wheels. Now it's the second road. Now I'm going to draw a line over the other wheel to define the roads. So done. Our road is done here. So we should do the white lines. Now I drew the second white line. So now we will be drawing the car silencer. It should be like this. And then you should define the smoke coming out of the car and going and joining the air. Like these many circles or uneven shapes are enough to define the smoke. So done. This is the smoke. Now I'm going to write over here. I will write here later. Okay. So now let's color the car. I'm using Natraj color pencils. So you can use any brand of your wish. These are the Natraj color pencils. There are 12 number of contents in the color pencils, and we get a sharpener, color pencil sharpener. So for now, I'm using red color for the car's body, and yellow color for the front light, and black color for the wheel, and yellow color for the inner wheel. And we should leave this line space blank. So now for the Even for the smoke I'm using black, and for the road I'm using the black color. See, I've colored the car with a reddish color. Now I'm going to color the wheel. I colored the wheels of the car. Now let's color the inner wheel of the car. I colored the inner wheels of the car using yellow color. Now let's color the road. I colored the black color road. So now let's color the sky with blue color, light blue color, this color. See guys, I just colored the sky with blue color. So now we will color the headlight with yellow. Now the headlight is covered. So now we will be writing like please use electric cars more than petrol and diesel cars. So now we will write please use electric cars more than the petrol and diesel cars. So now let's start writing this. For now I am using the purple shade of the colors. Like I'm gonna write here. Please use electric cars more than petrol and diesel cars. So here is our statement, and don't forget to write Happy World Environmental Day. So now I'll be writing Happy World Environmental Day. So for Happy World Environmental Day, I am using pink shade. I'm not going to write it like this slantingly. I'm going to write it straightly. We'll start writing. Happy World Environmental Day. And don't forget to write your name at the end. I'm going to write done by Multifloor. So our drawing is completed over here, and thanks for watching this video. And I forgot to tell you that this video is for beginner, and I am also a beginner. Don't feel bad if the drawing is bad. So please subscribe to my channel and like my video. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye. Happy Environmental Day. Happy Environmental Day.